Yeah, this is definitely my happy place. I have it all to myself. Water is cool, but comfortable. I'm saying that before I plunge in. We'll see after, but they'll probably be fine. Especially as it gets sunnier, as the coastal clouds burn off, and it warms up a little bit. I'll be able to dry off a little bit better. But yeah, I'm gonna spend a few hours here until it's near sunset. Then there's a camping spot I saw about half a mile back that way. Camp day one. Didn't make my way down to that waterfall pool. I had a lot of fun just chilling out for about 4 hours at the waterfall. The road's up there. There's tons of these little, I guess they're camping spots, parks back there. But off the road, they're barricaded with concrete blocks, big concrete blocks, so cars can't get in. But I guess, I don't know if it's meant for bicyclists or I don't know. Maybe it's just closed off to prevent people from rolling in, or maybe it's supposed to be like that. I have no clue. And I don't care. I'm just happy it's here because it's a really nice spot. Nice grass. Few bugs. Very few bugs. Not much in the way of mosquitoes. Some places are swarming with them though. And it's just half a mile away from the waterfall. So the campsite has a trail. Kind of hard to see, it's back there. And it goes to another waterfall on Donkey Creek. And it's got a really nice pool. Yeah. This is why I moved to Washington State. This right here. This is true wealth. And it is absolutely priceless. Experience it. It's like nothing. That's why I got my bike. Takes me to incredible places like this. It has no rocks, it's just bare stone. Must get washed away during the winter. And let's see, it goes down there somewhere. Branches off, probably connects back. Kind of like an island type deal. Awesome gang. Let's eat trash and get hit by a car. And that's how we do. This is my basket bag. And here's my trash that I eat. Summer sausage, tortillas, peanut butter. It's essential. Very calorie dense. Same thing with the granola. Classic brownies. Bunch of Cliff Bars. Luncheon meat. There we go. It's pretty good when you fry it up. I got a camping stove and oil. And Gatorade powder. Will it last you 4 days? Yeah, probably. It is day 2, and I climbed up a log on the side of the waterfall that I showed yesterday, and it's another waterfall. Just waterfall after waterfall. This one has a really nice big pool. Yeah, the first waterfall is down there. First waterfall is over there. Second waterfall is over there. I love all these plant-covered rocks. Here's the top of the first waterfall. You can see how the water splits off in that direction and that direction. And presumably they meet up at the bottom somewhere, which I'm going to check out later. down here, it looks like it's a quieter section of creek. This is a road just outside the camp. Those are the barriers that lead to the camp. Now I know why they're there. To mark the trail to the waterfall. Road is still paved on this portion. Further on down it turns to gravel and dirt. Pothole city. One thing I love about Western Washington are the birch trees. I'm in the middle of a grove of them. White bark makes a wonderful contrast with the moss. Look gorgeous mixed in with the evergreens. Fried luncheon meat, the pinnacle of cuisine. Thankfully I got all these different spices. I figured I'd get some close-ups on these birches because it is so beautiful. Camp's over here. And these are foxgloves. They're all over the place. Bees crawl in there to pollinate it. They're cool because they have these markings that are like a landing pad. I found these insects that have shells made of little pieces of rock cemented to them. It's hard to see, but that guy is slowly poking out, slowly walking. And here's a few more. Really hard to see even with the eye. Oh, there he's going. Let's see. Get him on camera. This is an empty shell. If I pick them up, they'll probably go in the shell, so kind of hard to really get a good view. Here's a good view of both of these are moving. You can see their legs. You can kind of see that one's head. There we go, good shot. Oh. Back up here at 6 o'clock. I think tomorrow I'll head up to Lake Wynoochee. So I've really enjoyed spending the day and a half here, just chilling out and enjoying everything. And here, right by my tent, is a banana slug. A slug type of doggo. Love these guys. Here's my finger for reference. They're all over Olympia in this area, but they aren't over at Ocean Shores. So I haven't seen one in a long time. This one's got spots. They all have different patterns. Probably doesn't like my light. It is day 3. It's about 9 o'clock. Been bicycling for an hour. Around 53 degrees. A little bit cool, but nice riding. This is the East Fork Hump Tulips River. And it is gorgeous. Found out what that insect with the shell made out of small pebbles is called. It's a caddisfly larva. Heading up on Lake Wynoochee. Just down over there. The Oasis, clean water. It's right at the dam at Wynoochee Lake. Waterfalls on the side of the road. Road's up there. Unfortunately, we got these, but what are you gonna do? Just look in the opposite direction. I haven't really shown the roads, but this is the kind of gravel roads that are out here. Big rocks. The Ogre handles it just fine though. Back at Wynoochee Falls. Yeah, they're nice, but I really like the Donkey Creek waterfalls a lot better because there's like 3 of them in a row and you can go upstream and downstream. It's more intimate, you can get closer to them. It's got rapids, yeah. It's got the magnitude, but it's not as beautiful. So I'm a mile north of Wynoochee Falls, and it's been a very long mile because it's been completely uphill all the way. Can't really tell from the camera, but yeah. I think I'll go another hour, see how far I can go, and if I don't find anything, go back to, I guess it's called the Wynoochee River. Yeah, there's places with campsites there. Foxgloves, as usual, all over the place. I'm just going to set up camp right here. It's already a fireplace, fire pit. You know I'm not going to use it. I'm going to take it aside. Over here we got a little splishy splashy going on. And goes out there. Oh, I don't want to walk on that. I'm not going to test it. So you can go down there too. To wash up, stuff like that. This is a cool little stream. Camp's up there. I washed my hair in this, it was invigorating. Too cold for a swim. Got a nice rock. It's the same material that's the stone right there. So it's a piece of the waterfall. Day 4 is 6:30. Planning on going back to Donkey Creek Waterfalls, spending the night there, and then tomorrow going back home to Ocean Shores. As you can see, we're in the mountains, foothills at least. It's all downhill from here. Well, mostly. There's some uphill sections too. And we're looking at Wynoochee Lake. This is the only part of it I've seen this trip, besides the dam. But yeah, I prefer smaller ponds and rivers, streams, that kind of thing. I'm close to the Donkey Creek Waterfalls. I thought about spending another day here, but I'm tired and dirty, and I think I'm gonna head back.